una dey my people? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we wan cook one correct Naija food wey everybody sabi. Pounded yam and hot egusi soup. Dis na food wey no dey play for Sunday, wedding or better enjoyment. No darling, make I go market sharp sharp. For egusi soup, we go need ground egusi or melon seed with them grind. Palm oil, beans, goat meat or assorted meat, stockfish and dry fish, crayfish, fresh pepper, onion, locust this wey dem dey call iru or ojiri for our language, for our local language. Bitter leaf or ugu leaf. You go need salt and seasoning cube. First thing first, wash the meat well. Put am for pot. Add onion, pepper, seasoning cube and small salt. Make am boil till e soft and the water don dump and meat stock. No pour the water like good, you go use am later. Put pot for fire, add palm oil. When the oil don heat small, add onion. Pour your ground egusi inside and dey stir am well make e no burn. Slowly add the meat water while you dey stir the egusi. Add your cooked meat, stockfish and dried fish. Add your crayfish and your locust beans, which is iru. Make your potato cook together well. Last, add your vegetable. Taste am, add your salt and seasoning. Leave am make e simmer small. Your egusi soup don ready o, e go dey stir well. Now make we pound the yam. First of all, peel your yam, cut am, wash am, put am for pots. Add water, boil till e soft well. Carry the yam, put for mortar, use pestle, pound am, burn am and pound am again. And pound again till e smooth and stretchy. No lump suppose dey inside. Mold am, give am better shape. If you get yam pounder or blender, you fit use am to mistress. Teach your pounded yam come. Who correct soup join am? Na so I get mate pass. This food fit make person forget problem. If you like this video, abeg like am, share am and subscribe to the channel. More correct Naija food still dey come. Thanks for watching my people. We go see for next video.